to that strong vaping warning. New York now following the lead from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, advising people to stop. This comes as the federal agency investigates multiple vaping-linked deaths. CBS 2's Reena Roy is in the studio now to explain. Reena.
Yeah, and Jessica, not only are state officials backing the CDC in this warning, they're also taking testing into their own hands, saying today that as the federal government tests both cannabis and nicotine vape products, they are doing the same to get to the bottom of these mysterious deaths and health problems. In New York alone, there have been at least 34 cases of lung illnesses. Some New Yorkers who have picked up the habit are now rethinking it all.
I definitely would reconsider vaping. It does, ring the alarm or it brings concern. So I'm definitely concerned.
After a strong warning from the New York State Department of Health and the governor Saturday.
Our health guidance is no one should use vaping products, period.
Just a day before, the same recommendation from the CDC, with 5 deaths and 450 lung illnesses across 33 states, all associated with vaping. The federal agency has not identified a specific brand of e-cigarette product, but expressed concern with any bought on the street or tampered with by users.
There have been a number of deaths. There's an investigation ongoing. Nobody knows exactly what it is.
Many of the patients sickened say they used vaping products with THC. Health investigators are focusing on a chemical derived from vitamin E oil in marijuana vaping products, but they say much more testing is needed to determine what exactly is making people sick.
Our advice is to not vape illegally acquired or non-medical cannabis at this point. And if anyone develops lung issues after vaping, to seek health care right away.
This smoke shop worker in Hell's Kitchen says it's been business as usual and most of his customers are unfazed.
So far it's been the same. There's no problem with the vaping. Everyone's keep coming in buying the pods.
You can juice, you can be vegan, you can avoid all sorts of carcinogens. Everything's going to get you.
And the president of the American Vaping Association says the CDC is simply, quote, causing anti-vaping hysteria and not being clear about what to avoid, saying the issues are coming from street vapes with THC and not the store-bought nicotine vaping products. But again, so far, no official cause from the CDC. Jessica?
All right, Reena, thank you.